Hello dear friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, how to find your activity time on Instagram. So subscribe to the channel and let's go. Step 1. Open an Instagram account, click your profile account and click your menu and click your archive. It's down, okay? Click your how you use Instagram, okay? Time spent. Click time spent easily. It is your time activity in Instagram account. Uh, for example, today, yesterday, and Friday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So we can use it very easily, very easy. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Take on take.